looking back, I've only made footprints in the sun. She's a freight train running down that old steel line. I try to hold her, but she leaves me behind every time. Well, she runs like the rivers, lasting like the pines. Oh, how I adore her, she's always on my mind. The storm, it brings the rains, and the water floods the shore. My roots give away as I fall to the floor. And I never knew what to make of her, but I've come to find she's just cold by nature. 'Cause she's a freight train running down that old steel line. Cause the more you tell me, the longer it takes. And I'm still waiting on that train.